Hello there, governors. Welcome back to another video of Battlefield 1. Horse! Why are you drunk still, mate? Horse! Why are you doing this to me, horse? Horse! Far out, mate! I never get anything done with it because of this damn horse. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Alright, gotta give that one. That was pretty good.
Easy there.
Let's go. Oh yeah. Ring around the the objectives. So we don't stand still and get sniped by a sniper, which is happening right now. It's okay, he'll miss. Oh god! I had a feeling it was gonna be you guys. Hello. Double roll kill. Whoa! You fudge cake. Like I said, one thing, it's not easy to be the cavalry. The cavalry, sometimes it's hard to ride a damn horse. Oh yes, now we're talking some serious business. Are you kidding me, buddy?
We have lost objective butter.
That's right, buddy.
We have taken objective Charlie.
Come on, repair the tank, go. Tank, no, don't get stuck, mate. Call a retreat. Oh my god, you're serious, mate! Oh, 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 you're so close. There was no cigars for you.
We have taken objective butter.
Like I say, I know how to fight, mate. I don't mess around as a light armor tank. Yeah, boys. Come on, no. Enough with that animation, please. I don't need that. Go. No. Oh my god. Reload grenade launcher. Yeah. Oh my god. Team, what are you doing? Oh my god. Okay, let's give this on the roll. Charlie, shut up, mate. You're not involved with this war. Also, yeah, we went to the academy together. Fine. Where should we head to then, Charlie? Let's try and head to Charlie. Because it's got my name written on it.
We have taken objective.
Fine, whatever. I don't get it how the heavy armor tank is faster than a light armor tank.
We have taken objective Charlie.
Because with all that armor on that damn thing, it's supposed to be slow as hell. There's no such thing as a very fast heavy armor tank. Heavy armor tanks are not meant to be fast. That's how you clear a house out. You miss. Oh, peekaboo, I see you. He took that shot. I have no words to say anymore. There we go. Yeah. Puff the magic. What the hell's a puff the magic? Can someone please explain to me what the hell is the puff magic? The puff magic is... Shut up, Charlie. No one cares. Excuse
We
me.
have lost objective.
What? Have you forgot, mate? Well done. Well done. Button, stop trying to be a cheater and play the game already. Stop being a show-off. I am not being a show-off. Calm down, Charlie. See it? Fire the ready. Got him. I missed using this type of tank. This thing does its job. This thing literally does its job.
We have taken objective George.
Fuck! Right, mate. Get away from me. They're not happy. I promise you, they're not happy. Here you go, buddy. Enjoy that. Oh god. Why is he not dead? Someone please kill him already. Kill him.
We have lost objective.
I need to repair my tank before I continue.
We have taken objective Edward.
Oh my god. Ooh. Took that button around like a boss, did ya? Someone kill him already, please. What the hell?
We have lost objective George.
You see, I like the spot flare assist. Oh, you know what? I think we're gonna have to. We're gonna have to destroy that thing. Come back here. Jesus, plane. Why are you making this so difficult for me? Come on. There he is. Plane, please get on the side of it. Plane. Oh my god. Looks like I'm taking you with me. Mayday.
Return to the combat.
Fuck!
Lost objective Charlie.
Remember me, buddy? Excuse me, I'd like to have a word with you. I need to have a word with you, sir.
We have taken objective Duff.
Free ride!
Halfway there, the enemy has the upper hand.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I've been kidnapped! Save me! Help me! I've been kidnapped! Oh, he's dead! Oh, come on, mate. Anyway, guys, that is all for now for Battlefield 1. If you guys want to see more, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely keep on playing this game over and over again. And getting ready for the new DLC, They Shall Not Pass, which should be interesting. Really can't wait to see. Anyway, if you guys like this video, shoot the like button with a warning shot, and I'll be scouting you guys on the next battle on Battlefield 1. Team, I'm afraid of heights, please. Team, I'm afraid of heights. Ah! Alrighty. Horse! Why, mate? Why you do this to me, buddy? Horse! Come on, mate! Horse! Horse! Please, calm down, mate. Hell yeah. How was that a miss? I'm pretty sure with a horse ramming into him, that would have been a roadkill. Got him. Horse, why? Oh my god, that was a tank!
Ready.
Got it. Where's he going? Let's follow this guy. He might need some backup. Dude, you're getting shot at, mate. Flame trooper guy, you're getting shot at by a sniper, dude. Where you going, buddy? Come on, dance on a boy! Dance! Oh my god, look at that vehicle! Oh no, we lost it. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next. I'll see you guys later.